Improving computer skills requires practice, patience, and persistence. Here are some tips to help you enhance your computer skills. 1. Practice regularly. As you know, practice makes a man perfect. The more you use computers, the more comfortable you'll become. Try to use computers for various tasks such as browsing, emailing, and word processing. 2. Learn the basics. Understand the fundamental concepts of computers, such as hardware, software, and operating systems. Knowing how computer work will help you troubleshoot and use them more effectively. 3. Familiarize yourself with popular software. Learn Microsoft Office, Google Suite, and other commonly used applications. This will help you to be more productive and efficient. 4. Explore online resources. Websites like Udemy, Coursera, and YouTube offer numerous tutorials and courses. 5. Take online courses. Enroll in courses that focus on specific skills, like programming, graphic design, or web development. You can learn at your own pace and on your own schedule. 6. Join online communities. Participate in forums, Reddit, and social media groups to connect with others and learn from their experiences. 7. Read tech blogs and news. Stay updated on the latest technology trends and advancements. 8. Experiment and try new things. Don't be afraid to try new software, apps, and features. 9. Learn keyboard shortcuts. Mastering shortcuts can significantly improve your productivity. 10. Set goals and challenges. Identify areas you want to improve in and set achievable goals. 11. Seek guidance. Ask experts, colleagues, or friends for help when needed. 12. Stay organized. Keep your computer files and folders organized and regularly back up your data. 13. Learn basic troubleshooting. Understand how to diagnose and fix common computer issues. 14. Explore different operating systems. Familiarize yourself with Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and other operating systems. 15. Stay curious. Continuously seek out new knowledge and skills to stay up to date in the rapidly evolving tech world. Remember, improving computer skills takes time and effort. Be patient, persistent, and enjoy the learning process.